Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to present to you a comparative study between two leading amines company. Specialty chemicals have been in discussion for a while and the performance of the sector has been fantastic. It has grown very well in last couple of years. So people who invested money in this sector, they reaped a big return. So let's move forward today and talk about two companies, look at their relative merits, demerits, and then maybe you can do further research and decide to invest in one of them. At the outset, I'd like to share with you, investing in stock market is risky affair. So before investing, do your own research or consult your investment advisor. The purpose of this video is purely educational. So friends, I'm talking about Amines Companies, a comparative study. So this is a research by verified market research, and as per them, the global scenario in amines market is going to have a CAGR of 5.3% for next 8-9 years. So by 2030, this market will be $28.7 billion. It's a huge change. But besides this, the very important aspect here, which we need to note, as you know, China is the leader in this particular area, and of late, due to pollution issues and also pandemic issues, various Chinese companies have been shut down. And also, China response to the international market, particularly Western country, has not been appreciated by these countries, and they are very seriously considering China plus one. So from that perspective, Indian amines market has got a lot of advantage, and therefore investing in this market could bring you a handsome gain in years to come. Now I am going to compare two leading companies in this market, Alkali Amines and Balaji Amines. Alkali Amines is leader in this area, and the shares of Alkali Amines has returned huge benefit to the shareholders for last 3-4 years. So at this point in time, both the companies have come down from their respective top, and could be this is time to invest in these companies, or you can decide based on this comparison which company may be better to suit your needs. So let's move forward. So when I look at the comparative statements, as I mentioned earlier, I have chosen certain parameters like ROC, ROE. On ROC, Balaji Amines is 50% and Alkali Amines is 33%. ROE 35%, 25%. So all these green highlights means wherever the green highlight is, this means that company is scoring over the other company. Then we come over debt equity ratio, 0.08 and 0.02. Both are close to 0, but Alkali Amines is better here. Sales growth in 3 years, 5 years, and profit growth in 3 years and 5 years. All these cases, Balaji Amines has scored over Alkali Amines, like 35.1%, 28.8% sales growth in 5 years. Profit growth in 3 years, 46.5% versus 39% over here. And profit growth in 5 years, 35% versus 35% here. FI investment, again, in Balaji Amines is 4.51% compared to 2.28% in Alkali Amines. And as you know, these people are much resourceful. They have much stronger insights compared to people like us. So what they say is much better. Then cash flow, free cash flow for 3 years and 5 years if you take, and you take the ratio compared to the sales, Alkali Amines scores over Balaji Amines. And dividend yield is 0.2 and 0.35%. So if I sum it up, all the areas where these companies have scored better over the other, the score for Balaji Amines is 7 and the score for Alkali Amines comes 4. Now very important aspect here, look at the valuation part. Balaji Amines is trading at 4.6 PE, whereas Alkali Amines is trading at 64.6 PE. So huge advantage over here. So is the case in PV, 7.8 versus 14.9. This means if somebody want to invest in Balaji Amines is much cheaper comparatively compared to Alkali Amines, and that is very, very important. Friends, now I'll take you to the valuation screen of Balaji Amines and show to you how this company really is faring on different parameters, particularly attractiveness wise at this point in time. So let us look at Balaji Amines over here. So if you take Balaji Amines, these numbers I have talked, so I'll skip. Let's jump to the price chart directly. If you look at the 10 years price, see the price is upward sloping curve and it touched the all-time high of around 47.80 and today available at about 3,040 rupees. So almost at a discount of 37%. But just this discount should not make it attractive buy. That would be a mistake. So therefore, let's go ahead and look at the relative PE, whether the price is congruent with the earnings, etc., which company is showing. So let's look at PE for 5 years. Now, when you look at PE for 5 years, this is just at value, like it is same as median PE for 5 years. Now, when you look at PE for 3 years, it is lower than the median for 3 years, and for 1 year, it is much lower than median PE for 1 year. So, Balaji Amines at this price appears quite attractive. You can also look at technical charts, which I am not showing here, and even there it appears very attractive. So friends, when you compare these two companies, Alkali Amines and Balaji Amines, although Alkali Amines is the leader, but Balaji Amines is comparatively placed very well today, and I believe that if you invest or we invest today in this company, you will have a handsome gain in months to come. Recently, just 3-4 days back, on 17th, I bought some shares of Balaji Amines. I already hold Alkali Amines in my portfolio, and I feel that you should also look at this company, study this company, consult your investment advisor, and if you are confident, if you are sort of convinced, then you should take a call to invest in Balaji Amines. Thank you very much for your time, and if you like this video, don't forget liking the video and circulating this to your social media groups, because that's the way we are going to make it more attractive to the people and we can take it to more and more people. Please do also give your comments, because your comments and the type of videos you would like to have in future, that will help me navigating my efforts accordingly. Thank you so much and have a great day.